Good afternoon, everyone. It's not a secret that our traders are getting more than 100 signals per day. You can check it while I'm scrolling bots announcements. And if you still have doubts, you can always compare the quotations that our bot gives. And one more important thing, there is no trader that can analyze more than 100 algorithms, but our bot can definitely do that. And I will prove it right now. Since I am confident of bot's predictions, today I will trade with high risks and high bets. I will show you how you can make your month's salary in 5 minutes. With our bot, that's real. So, here we got a new announcement in Euro-USD currency pair. And as stated earlier, we will bet with high risks. Most often, I recommend to make risks analysis and money management, but now, for argument's sake, I will show you how can you earn big money with our scalper bot. We have a prediction of the rising signal up to 10 minutes, and we will use two platforms. I'm betting now and we are getting back to Telegram for technical analysis. We see ascending trend of signal and our minimums turn to maximums. And even we will have a correction, the bot gave us save points info, where we can double our bet. But all these arguments are showing us that the price will get up. Getting back to platforms, we see that the price increases. Working with this bot, we can earn a lot of money. This time is the best for connecting our bot and starting to trade. And don't waste time, because these platforms are trying to block our bot. We are constantly changing the algorithms of the robot, but every day you lose a possibility to earn real cash. You can start today, and today you will get your first money. Don't be the one who is afraid to try new. Take the first step towards your success. If you continue to lie on the couch and up, you won't earn money. I noticed that all signals given by our bot has maximum quality. It chooses the best variants and gives them to you. Every announcement has a high-quality technical analysis. Our bot gives only such signals. Even if you check the last one, you will see how ideal is it. And you will get more than 100 such signals per day. You can start with middle budget and increase it to insane amount. Just control the risks and money management. On this way, you will have stable income in perspective. We are sure in our bot, so that's why I have opened these deals with such amount. And as you can see, I took unreal profit on both platforms. In Telegram we see that our bot has also profit. Guys, I will show you one more time that this bot gives more than 100 such signals per day. Like, share and leave a comment below this video. I will leave our bots and Telegram channel links in description. Thank you for watching. Connect to the best scalper bot in the world. Good luck and don't waste your opportunities.